If your PHP code is not working, this small mistake might be the reason. Number one, missing semicolon. So, but first, let's add our PHP tag. This is going to give you an error in your PHP, but it will only give you error when you add another statement. But if you echo this only this statement inside this file, you're not going to get any error. Okay, let's just check in our browser. We are going to replace it here with localhost. We only need our folder name and our file name because our work is inside our XAMPP. In case if you don't understand, you can go to my past video. You will see how we install the XAMPP and I explain everything about XAMPP. So let's see. This line is a very big problem to your work, but you're not going to see it until you add another statement. Let's just add another statement to see what it will cause. But always remember to add a just to break your statement to stop inline displaying. Then can you see our VS Code already giving us an error. It will also give us error in our browser. So this red line means error. It shows that you have a problem in your PHP. So let's go to our browser to find out what the error is. So always read your error message. That is what will direct you where the problem is. So it says simplest error, unexpected token echo, expecting comma or semicolon in PHP class index on line 4. So let's go to our work and go to on line 4. So this is on line 4 where the problem is. So because we didn't add a semicolon here. Why? This is because an error because you forget a semicolon. In PHP, every statement must end with a semicolon. Without the without it, the server doesn't know where the code ends. So you have to add a semicolon because the server is confused, you don't know where this code ends. So it is telling you on line 4. But this is where our code ends. So now let's check if everything is okay. Can you see everything is normal now? Another program is wrong variable name. Something like this. Remember to add your just copy. This will not work because PHP is case sensitive. This and this are not the same. In PHP, capital and small letter are different. So let's check if this will show error in our browser. So let's read our error message. Undefined variable name in PHP class index on line 12. So that's it. It is giving error undefined variable because PHP don't know what PHP don't know this person. This is what PHP know. So we have to add the So this is actually what PHP have and what PHP know because we already created a variable and give it a value. So in PHP, you don't understand, you don't know this person at all. That's why it is telling us undefined variable. Let's check it out. Can you see it? Enjoy. So, so this all this is because the capital name and the small name is not the same. PHP is case sensitive. So let's just remove this. This is what you need, or this is what you have. Another program is using undefined variable. Like when you say echo, this thing is going to be a very big problem in your website. This will give an error because the variable was never created. You must always define a variable before using it. You didn't create this variable and you are using it to give a serious problem. So let's check it out. Undefined variable user and 15. So to fix this, you have to create a variable, say the user equals. So now the error is going to disappear because we have created this variable here. But let's add our data. You can see it's very true. Another problem is fix with insert. Like when you say add a DR first, then say echo our user name. So this will give you a problem. You know why? We didn't have this variable in our code. We didn't create it. So our PHP don't know this person. So now, okay, let's check in our browser and see what the error is. So that was undefined variable username. So but we can actually fix this. Instead of saying echo user, we say if if it says username echo username, then let's remove this one. So this is not going to give you a problem because we are giving it a condition. Like I told you in my past video, that if is what we use to give a condition in our website. So this thing actually have a condition. So you say if it says username, echo username, that means if username is set, echo it. But if not, don't echo anything. So because username is not a set, it will not echo anything. Let's check it out. So this is username. We don't have anything like username. So it's not going to echo anything for us and it's not going to show us error. So this is has a two type. This can work in two ways. It will not echo error and it will not echo username because we don't have anything like username. It says check if a variable exists before using it. This helps prevent error. If your code is not working, always check for these mistakes first. Follow for more coding tips and tricks.